This industrial laser cutting machine engraving machine can be applied to many industries such as advertising, machinery, models, clothing, etc. It has high precision, high efficiency, and uniform processing results. The upgraded frame design enhanced longer service life. The laser machine is designed for efficiency and versatility. With a large working area and support for 12 languages, it meets the needs of global users. Its high efficiency allows you to complete tasks quickly, adapting to multi-batch production demands. Experience high-quality results with precise cutting and engraving that meet the highest standards. Its cutting edges are smooth and burr-free, while engraving details are finely crafted. The processing results are uniform and consistent, eliminating the need for frequent adjustments and ensuring stability for batch production. This versatile machine is ideal for a wide range of applications, including acrylic cutting, rubber sheet cutting, stamp engraving, wood and MDF engraving, paper cutting, packaging box cutting, fabric cutting, as well as engraving on ceramics, stone, and glass.